Hi, my name is Magpayo. I'm a filmmaker and photographer. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to unbox the XPG Precog Gaming Headset. XPG stands for Extreme Performance Gear. The Precog comes with a carrying bag. Even the packaging, the carton, has closed cell foam protection. This is the semi-rigid carrying case. This is the headphones. This is the Precog headphones. The main feature of the XPG Precog is the dual driver speakers. It has electrostatic driver and a dynamic driver. This is the world's first in gaming and streaming to have an electrostatic driver for its speakers. The electrostatic driver is said to be extremely accurate with mid to high frequencies, and the dynamic driver is accurate with mid to low frequencies. So combined together, this will give you a better performance than other headsets. Okay, let's check out the accessories. This is the USB Type-C cable. It has the small volume controller, the 3 toggle switch for first-person shooter, 7.1 virtual surround sound, and the music mode. It also has the on and off switch for the LED light and the on and off switch for the environmental noise cancelling mode. And this is the USB Type-C to USB adapter. And this is the TRRS cable. You can use this on any mobile device. It also has a small volume control and the mute button. And this is the traditional 3.5 mm with a splitter. One for the audio out and the microphone in. And this is the detachable cardioid microphone. We also have the XPG Quick Start Guide, the warranty card, and some stickers. Now let's talk about the build and the design of this Precog headset. It has flashy red designs. The LED light is also colored red. This is the memory foam padded suspension. It features some red stitching and the XPG logo. The frame is made of flexible metal with rubber protection on the top. The ear cups are made of plastic to minimize weight, and it has a shiny metal finish with right and left indicator. At 360 grams, this is a bit heavier than other headsets. But when you wear it, it's very comfortable and it feels weightless. The ear cups are rotatable, or it swivels. So when you're not using it, you can put it on your neck like this. People with glasses can also use this headset. It doesn't pinch the glasses at all. The detachable cardioid microphone is keyed, so you can only insert this one way. And it includes the foam pop filter. You can order this from Lazada and I will put the link in the description. I will post another video for the review of the XPG Precog Gaming Headset.